Who do you know that doesn't like money? Anybody? I mean, who doesn't? There's a reason why millions invest in the lottery every week. If you had a guarantee to make 30 cents on the dollar for every dollar, would you invest? Would you find a way to make that investment? That's a 30% return, guaranteed. Hi, I'm John Witt. You might decide you don't have the time to make more money or know how to make more money, but no one turns down more money. You might be skeptical about whether or not you could do the work or if the opportunity was realistic. But if someone handed you a pile of gold, you would take it. Everybody does. That's why the lottery works. If you're a business owner, you're in business to make money. And one of the easiest and simplest ways to make more money is to increase the price of your products or services. The question becomes, how do you justify the higher price to your customers? And the answer is simply this. You must increase the perceived value of your offering. Remember, your competition dictates your price. And you have to find a way to differentiate your offering from your competitors in the minds of your customers. Achieving a successful price increase is accomplished by upgrading your packaging or improving your quality control or economic sense. I have a client that realized his prices were significantly lower than that of his competitors. And it didn't take much economic sense to explain that the increase was needed to continue to provide excellent services to his customers, and that the new rate was still equal to or lower than competitors. The result for my client was an additional $100,000 in profits for his business in the fourth quarter of 2019. I have another client that realized he could raise his prices 30% and still be ultra competitive. So what if you knew that your products or services were underpriced, below even the lowest in the market? Would you raise your prices? When was the last time you completed a competitive analysis of your products and services? Raising prices is one of 7 different ways to increase revenues. Here are the other 6. Number 1, make more sales. I know it's obvious, but it works. Number 2, sell more often to the same customers. Or 3, sell something else. Or 4, make larger sales. Or 5, make more profitable sales. Or 6, reduce your selling costs. Every business owner wants to make more money. That's why you're in business. Just about everyone wants or needs more money. That's why people play the lottery. But if you're a business owner, you don't have to leave it to chance. You can attend the one-day Business Accelerator Intensive on January 31st. In just under 2 weeks, you have the opportunity to create a strategic execution plan to generate more money for your business. A strategic execution plan isn't just strategy. It also identifies each step that's necessary to achieve the strategy, because achieving goals is everything. All else is just commentary. Competitive analysis is just one of the topics we'll address to help you create your strategic execution plan for incredible success in 2020. In one day, you'll reassess your purpose, mission, and vision. You'll reassess competitors and high-value customers. You'll update your unique selling proposition to eliminate competition, and you'll create a strategic plan to move your business to levels that you've never considered. You don't have to take my word for it. You can watch and read testimonials on the registration page. Attendees rave about the value they received in just one day. Imagine the energy and excitement you'll experience when you have a plan to bring your business and your life to new levels of joy. The One Day Business Accelerator is one day to change your thinking and change your life. The choice is yours. This is a small group intensive, and seating is limited to the first 16 signups. All the details can be found by clicking on the link either above or below this video. Register now, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers to your success.